same fruit. So you can just check about fruits on the screen. It's still another intuition test. Pwede naman kayo magulungan kung gusto nyo. Alright, so you can just choose between apple, grape, watermelon, strawberry, or banana. Are you ready? Ready?
Ako.
1, 2, 3! Oh! Ang bilis! You can now take a picture.
Wala po
with
ba?
Rian.